Smoking that dank, be so loud bystanders faint. Neighborhood watch, call and complain. Hating on my big fat ass bank. Put me over, say you a rap singer. I know you smoke weed, let me steal your finger. Linger, Dr. Green Thumb George got a valid registration and my cannabis card. I'm challenged, got candy paint on my Harley. Back end truck, jet skis, bows and old school cut. Looking for a top shelf, not no mud. That candy paint got them going, can't believe they eyes. Flabbergasted, mesmerized. Digital dash, half of my cash, secret stash from my strap. Gotta shake these suckers and watch my back. I'm slapping so hard my windshield crack. Windshield crack? Windshield crack. I'm slapping so hard my windshield crack. My old bitch jealous, put my tires on the flat and scratch.
Candy paint, 84s, built in buckles, chrome and grill, leather seat, stitch and tuck, TV screens and wooded wheel. Candy paint, 84s, built in buckles, chrome and grill, leather seat, stitch and tuck, TV screens and wooded wheel.
To this flossing, that's why all my rides so awesome. I keep that big leg bossin', it don't matter what it's costin'. Tossin' deuces out the roof of that coupe while I ride by. Players chunkin' deuces back, Bob's hollin' I feel like I'm up in the sky, gone on that bay green. 40 got him going Toby when we pull up on the scene. Candy paint looking clean, bowls looking king size. Heads turn while I drive by, it's like they can't believe they eyes. That boy Thugger and that bad motherfucker. Swinging, banging, riding dirty, screwed and chopped on them suckers. Flipping, looking good. Diamonds, yes the wood. From that Texas to that Cali, catch me tipping through the hood.
Candy paint, 84s, built in buckles, chrome and grill, leather seat, stitch and tuck, TV screens and wooded wheel. Candy paint, 84s, built in buckles, chrome and grill, leather seat, stitch and tuck, TV screens and wooded wheel. Candy paint, 84s, built in buckles, chrome and grill, leather seat, stitch and tuck. Texas, that's the city where we ride the greatest. Gripping grain, dripping stain, turning up Robert Davis. An old school great taper trunk, pop a plate, scraper, hustler and a grinder. Every day I'm trying to make paper. I'm from PA, represent for UGK, and I'm riding for my city like it's rapper Lot and J. I got homies on the west, I got homies in the tray. Matter of fact, there's gladiators all over all day, sitting in that candy thing sideways. Pull up out of my driveway, drop that top and let them chop, then head on out on that highway. Turn up some rickshaw, or maybe swish a house. Now pass the cushion, dump the swisher out, it's going down. Candy paint, 84s, built in buckles, chrome and grill, leather seat, stitch and tuck, TV screens and wooded wheel. Candy paint, 84s, built in buckles, chrome and grill, leather seat, stitch and tuck, TV screens and wooded wheel. Candy paint, 84s, built in buckles, chrome and grill, leather seat, stitch and tuck, TV screens and wooded wheel. Candy paint, 84s, built in buckles, chrome and grill, leather seat, stitch and tuck, TV screens and wooded wheel. Candy paint, 84s.
Let me go ahead and turn this off. Everybody that bought a CD raffle ticket, go ahead and pull it out. I'm gonna go ahead and call it to you. Here we go. Ticket number 113. Ticket number 113. I was gonna ask you, what about 113? 113. That's the number right here. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. Ticket number 113. Here's our winner right here. There's our first winner. Come on, let's make some noise for our first winner right here. A little bit of noise.
I don't know if it's empty. Oh, here it is. Bud Light. You put Bud Light.
Fix it. Can you fix it? You got this another mic.
Right away. You don't have to wait till the end of the day. If you can, come on up with $5 exactly. I'm kind of short on change, so we will work it out. I won't send anybody away. They're $5 each. The prize is 10 CDs of your choice. And if you don't win, you just hold on to the ticket. It's going to be good all day long. The ticket's $5. The prize is 10 CDs of your choice. This is the best raffle, but there's only going to be 10 people in it. I got 6 tickets left.